Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing a massive Shop Miscellaneous haul. So this haul consists of makeup, skincare products, and then a bunch of more miscellaneous household kind of products that I've been wanting to try. So if you want to see everything that I picked up from Shop Miscellaneous, of course, just keep on watching. But before that, don't forget, if you like tricks and makeup, go ahead and stick around, subscribe, maybe hit the bell to notify whenever I upload, and if you could like the video if you like it, and the video's going to start right now. So I do have a Shop Miscellaneous playlist, which is always linked down below. I also have everything that I mentioned in today's video linked down below as well, just so a quick click away from the site. Also, if you're wondering about today's makeup look and why I'm wearing some PJs, is because I just filmed my Christmassy cozy kind of video using a bunch of new makeup, including the little 9 shadow palettes. So cute, so fuzzy. That is what I have on the eyes today. So if you want to watch that video, it's going to be linked down below if it's up already. So first off, let's just kind of glance through this product. I don't really want to show you guys too much, but this is one of the Shop Miscellaneous mystery bags. So I don't love the fact that they send it in a see-through bag, so it's not very much a mystery at all, but I like that they changed the color of the bag. Last time was a purpley fuchsia kind of bag, and this time it is a black bag. So we're gonna unbag this in a different video, so if you want to watch that, of course subscribe so you can be in the loop. But I'm just gonna kind of put that to the side so we don't, you know, look at too much of that stuff. I really don't want to look at that bag. But yeah, I don't like that it's a see-through bag, but it does retail for about $5, I believe, $5 or $10, and you do get a bunch of makeup in there. So, well, makeup and other miscellaneous things. So let's get into the makeup in today's video that I picked up from Shop Miscellaneous. I went ahead and picked up the Malibu Glitz primer. So I do own 2 other colors. I have the purple one and I also have the green one. I did compare them in a video. I believe it was like a full face of Shop Miscellaneous or using new makeup. I compared them to both sides of my face because they are more of like those color correcting colors. So that's what I thought these were. Basically they are just kind of the same formula, just different packaging, but I really did want to pick up a pinky one. So this one here is their smoothing primer, HD high definition face primer, and you do get 0.35 fluid ounces in here, and it's just so adorable. So I just wanted to pick up the pink one, but there is not a lot of difference in each of the primers, just the packaging color. But this one here is in the shade 1, so if you want to pick it up for yourself, this is so adorable. And I dropped it. Yeah. All right, next I went ahead and picked up one of their new lip crayons. So they did come out with a bunch of other colors. I am notorious for picking up every single shade and everything that they come out with on their site. With this product, I was very level-headed and I only chose one, girl, because I don't need a bunch of lip crayons in my collection. I don't really use these a whole lot. So I thought, just pick your favorite color and go with it. And then we're going to try this out in a video. So this is the Away Studio. What are you called? It doesn't really say much on it. I don't know what the actual name of this is. Oh, Fly With Me lip crayon, and this one is in the shade Labyrinth. And there's a look at the packaging. It's actually really cute, and the color that I chose is actually very vampy, but maybe it is more of a lighter kind of color once it's on. Close-up look at it without the plastic packaging on it. So again, this one here is in Labyrinth, which looks to be, oh, it's actually a really pretty color. So there's a look at Labyrinth. So pretty. Definitely cannot wait to try it on the lips. So whereas I was very level-headed when it came to the lip crayons, the new Nude lipsticks that they added, they just look so beautiful. You guys know that I'm always talking about their lip products where they come out with very pinky kind of colors, very light colors, and not very much nude colors like brown nude. So they finally like made me eat my words, because they came out with a pack of 5 lipsticks from that more nude realm. Now the packaging looks nude. We're gonna see how the actual lipsticks look, but yeah, they're like notorious for coming out with pinky kind of vibes. So we're gonna see how this works. They come out with 5 more colors on their lipstick formula, and these are more of a satin kind of formula to their site. So let's take a look at those. All right, so let's start off with this first one. How cute is this packaging? I really love that these are very reminiscent of like the MAC Cosmetics lipsticks. These are so cute. They look like a little bullet form, and this one here is in the shade Bisque. So let's take a look at that one. Ooh, this definitely looks very neutral. So again, this one here, oh wow, it's like very nude. I could barely see it on my skin. Again, this one here is in Bisque, and I'm telling you, I could barely see it on my skin. Oh my gosh, it's like literally my skin tone. Next, let's go on to the shade Courting. What a cute name. See if this one shows up. Wow, they're like really nude. I could barely see this one either. Right, so there is Courting right there, more of a pinky kind of hue to it. Here's in the shade Sweater, which looks like kind of orangey base. Yeah. Not my favorite, but there's a look at that one in Sweater. I really want to try these out on my lips, which is why I purchased all the colors. I want to do that for my TikTok, so definitely follow me over there if you want to see that. But yeah, I'm glad that we're taking our time and swatching everything in this video because, you know, just to see. This one here is in the shade Swoon. Ooh, okay, that one looks more chocolatey. Oh yeah, this one's really pretty. There is the shade Swoon right there. And hopefully this one's a little deeper. This one here is in the shade Cuddles. So cute, such a pretty name. Ooh, okay. Yeah, this one and the last one are definitely going to be a favorite. This one's definitely more cool toned. There's a look at that one. That one's in the shade Cuddles. And that's the last one as well. So very interesting. The first three are not a favorite, especially the first one. It's just like I could barely see it on my skin, but the last two are definitely going to be a favorite. I could already tell. But again, stay tuned and follow me on TikTok so you guys can see all of these swatch on my actual lips. But yeah, I'm really intrigued by these colors. They're actually really nice. Let's get into the more skincare kind of side of this video. So first off, I went ahead and picked up the Oki Beauty Stand Timer. So this is a skincare 60-second stand timer. Am I going to use this for like what it's intended? Not really, but I think this is so cute, so I just wanted to pick it up. And I'm telling you, like, it feels very high end. It feels like heavy in here. This is their beauty stand timer. I think this is so cute. And I remember I had a timer for like my from my dentist. There's a look at how that's gonna look. Basically just turn it and wait for the sand to go all the way down, and that's about 60 seconds according to this. So let me open it and see how this actually looks. This is so cool. Look at that. And it actually has some weight to it, which is very interesting. And basically you just turn it, and once all the sand is at the bottom, that's about 60 seconds. So that is so cute. I'm definitely going to use this as decoration for my vanity. It's really nice. And they did come out with two different versions. The other one is more of a traditional kind of sand timer looking kind of vibe, and then this one here is just so luxe. I love it. So yeah, so excited about this. I also went ahead and picked up this product. So this is the AOA Studio. It is part of their A+ line, so I believe that's $188. And this one is their Beauty Scoop, a mess-free silicone spoon with a suction base. This is so cool. So I have been into more clay masks, as you guys saw. If you guys watched my Dollar Tree haul, I did pick up a clay mask from there. I do have a couple other masks in my collection. So I hate getting stuff under my nails, so I love these types of products. And I did go ahead and pick up the purple one. I think it came in different colors. So there's a look at that product. I think this is so cool. It is silicone. And I love the fact that it comes with a little suction cup on the bottom. So they did add a bunch of new skincare products. So the first one is their shea butter and coconut body scrub. Again, I picked up the baby sizes just because I don't really know how these work, and I do already have a bunch of body scrubs in my collection, but I really wanted to try these out. I've heard really great things about their skincare line. So this one says it exfoliates dead skin cells, and it is a dermal booster. It leaves skin with a healthy glow as well. So very interesting. Definitely cannot wait to try this. I also picked up their neem cleanser. It says antibacterial plus cleans pores, and it fights blackheads with whiteheads. So okay, interesting. I love a good cleanser. And then lastly, for the skincare, I picked up their face mask, and this is a turmeric and rosemary, anti-inflammatory and brightening, purifies and calms the skin. Here's a look at that product. Definitely cannot wait to try all of these out. They definitely look very promising, and I did pick up a couple other skincare products in my last haul. So yeah, definitely gonna update you guys in a future video. Moving on to the more miscellaneous products, I went ahead and picked up some more press-on nails from their site. So these are their premium press-on nails. They retail for about $5 on their website, and these are from their AOA Pro line, and these are just like their French tip kind of nails. They're in the style French short, so they look like that. They're just a very like traditional kind of French tip. I'm gonna give these a try and let you guys know in a future video my thoughts. I really love press-on nails, so I can tell you the good ones versus the bad ones, and so far I had really good luck with the nails on their website, so I really much enjoy them. And these also do come with a nail glue on the inside as well, and they do give you a how-to on the back as well. Next, I picked up the Away Studio 2x2 hooks. So these are bra extenders, and it basically makes your bra more cozy and it stops the pinching. So sometimes, you know, you buy some bras and they say they're your size, but they're just a little too small, maybe they're a little too big, whatever it may be. But for the small ones, I love the fact that I have this option now where I can have an extender. So I think that's very smart on their part. I'm sure like 90% of the consumers on there are women, and I think that's such a smart idea because I never really see these, and these are literally $1 on the website. It says it's easy, attaches easily, and fits most bras, sustainable and makes your bras last longer, and it's also cozy. So this was $177 on their website, not $1, but look at how cool. And you do get two in here. You get a white and a black, so I'm definitely going to be using these. I also picked up a brush. So this is the detangling hairbrush from A+, from the A+ line, and this is $188 on their site, and this is so cute. It is a hairbrush. I was so tempted to just bring this out and not wait for this haul and just use it, but no, I wanted to show you guys the quality of this brush. This is so nice. I love the I don't know, the design is really cool, and there's a look at that. It's so cool, and I definitely cannot wait to try it on my hair. Why not just try it out now, right? Oh yeah. Ooh, oh, giving me frizzies, making my hair frizzy. But okay, that's a really nice. It's not like pulling on my hair. I think this is going to be great for when I come out of the shower. So cool. So yeah, just wanted to show you guys the hairbrush. It comes in pink and the one that I got, and also in a black shade. You guys know that I always purchase their fuzzy socks, so I went ahead and picked up this tan color, like brown color, from their website. I'm literally wearing some right now. I love the quality of their fuzzy socks, and especially for the holiday season, I think these are essential. So yeah, some fuzzy socks in the, I think these are just their brown ones. So cute, and they literally fit perfectly. I went ahead and picked up another hand fan. I love buying these. Now they're not like the best quality in the world, but I use these all the time, so I went ahead and picked up this purple one. Let's see if it has a design on it. No, it's just a purple hand fan. And I love using these for like when I'm done with my makeup and I spray my face. I love using this to dry my skin. So yeah, so cute. And again, it's not like the best quality in the world, but I think these are adorable and they're only $1. All right, so I've been meaning to pick this up from the site. This is from the Oki brand, and this is the lid opener. It's a rubber grip that easily opens jars. So my mom does have one of these. This is definitely much thinner than the one that she has, but sometimes I'm in my room and I don't want to walk all the way to the kitchen, so I'm like, why not just have my own? And this is also, I'm sure, essential for like nail polishes that are a little too rough to open or like have been closed for a long time. Just like a bunch of different uses. So I went ahead and picked up the jar opener. There's a look at that. It's actually very soft. Ooh, I think this is gonna work perfectly. And then the last two products are just like random products, but I really wanted to see if they work. We have another Oki product. This is a drain cleaning tool. It's a flexible tool to unclog sinks. So yeah, me and my sister have a lot of hair, and there's just a lot going on, okay, when we're washing our hair. So I just want to see if this works. It is in a green color. Not sure if this is the only color that they have, but this was $1 on the site. Looks like so. So I'm going to be trying this out. Let's see how this works. All right, this is the last product from this haul. I went ahead and picked up a jump rope. So they added 2 jump ropes. I think one was like a shorter one, and then we have the longer one. I think this one's the longer one. This one is the jump rope from Oki, official key items, and this is the adult fitness jump rope, and it looks like that. It is in a red and black color, and this is retail for $166 on the website in the shade red. And it says it's durable, it's a smooth fitness jumping rope, features high quality construction made of braided steel wire coated with a strong PVC material that resists cracking. This jump rope ensures long-lasting, fast, smooth, tangle-free jumping. I can't tell you how often I'm actually going to be using this, but you know, it's just good to have a jump rope. I haven't jumped rope in such a long time, so I want to give it a try, and then we'll see my thoughts. I kind of want to open it and see how it feels. Ooh, okay, so there's a look at that. It feels so soft. It definitely feels like a high quality jump rope. This is definitely those types of jump ropes that are gonna hurt someone if they're in front of you, so be careful with that. Don't do it in front of your kids. Make them kind of step away, because yeah, these look hardcore. So yeah, this is so cool, and I definitely can't wait to try these out. I'll see if I can update you guys in a video, but so interesting, right? They added some jump rope. So we made it to the end. I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed filming this video today. Everything that I talked about, all the names of the prices, are going to be down below, as well as any videos that I mentioned throughout this video or videos that I uploaded last week. Don't forget to upload 3 times a week on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday, so if you could stick around, that would be amazing. I have both my Insta handle and my TikTok on the screen. If you could follow me there, that would be amazing. And it'd be so great if you could like and subscribe. Of course, you don't have to. You're your own person and you make your own decisions, but it wouldn't hurt to give this video a like, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.